My name is Wendell Neptune and I'm representing Island Atv St Lucia, which is located in Balka, Saltibus. We've been in existence for about 2 years going, so it's 2 years in operation and going. Island Atv St Lucia takes you through the different parts of Balka and Labri. Takes you to the farms, it takes you to different black sand beaches, different sites, and you experience St. Lucia from a whole new different angle. So it's not your regular tour where you just go on a bike and you just drive throughout. We actually allow you to traverse different terrains, both steep, fun, exciting. You go through the rivers, you go to different landmarks that you don't usually see in Soufrière. So it's not the regular pitons, and it's other different beautiful parts of St. Lucia that you get to experience firsthand. Mainly what sets us apart from other ATV tours. You have to make a reservation. You can contact us through email, you can contact us on Facebook or through our website. So even through Instagram as well, through any social media, you'll be able to contact us and you'll be able to let us know that you want to make a reservation, and we'll make the accommodations for you. The tour is 2.5 hours long, and it's a very interactive tour, so you get to not only experience the estate, but we allow you to taste the different fruits and experience the culture from a whole new different perspective within that 2.5 hours. You don't need a license, but you have to be an experienced rider. And if you are not experienced or you have never ridden an ATV before, we actually take you to a course where we guide you on how to use an ATV, and it is very, very, very simple. Newcomers usually come in and they have, in less than 5 minutes, they're ready to traverse the entire course. And we use Yamaha Grizzlies, which are all 4-wheel drive enabled, which you will need for you to traverse the course. So that's how exciting and fun it is. Island ATV is double the experience, it's double the size, and it is very interactive, and it's open to anybody 16 years and over, and it really allows you to experience St. Lucia from a totally new and different angle. So we allow you to do much more than your regular ATV tour.